Good day, guys. Welcome to King FX Trading Mastery. If today is your first time you will be checking on our channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and ensure you click the bell icon so you can receive notification whenever we upload new analysis or any new videos. Right? So for those of you who are watching this for the first time, this is the King strategy. This strategy is based on indicators. As you can see, this is a strategy that gives over 70% win rates every week if you trade it, if you follow all the trading conditions correctly. So if you want to learn about this strategy, there is a link down below. Check the description below. There is a link down below where you can click to learn everything about this strategy. So after learning the strategy, you can come back to this analysis, which is what we do every week, every Saturday, and every Wednesday for the midweek analysis. So you can make use of this analysis to know which of the pairs to trade. All right. So this has been helping a lot of our members. Okay, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this with your family and friends. And if you are not on our Telegram group, there is also a link below that can link you to our Telegram group. Make sure you click the link, join us as we have weekly training on Sunday by 5 p.m. Nigerian time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you want to join us as we learn, we teach new topics every week. So through this, you can keep learning and learning. All right, so let's get started in this week analysis. The analysis we posted last week, according to our record, over 70% of them played out. About 70 or 80% of them play out according to our record. So which means if you have taken 10 trades with the analysis, you probably should have won 7 or 8 depending on your entry. All right, but for us, we have been able to bank in good profit. And the good news here is that by 1st of April, we'll be putting in signals based on this strategy on our Telegram group. So if you are not on our Telegram group, go and join us. All right. So with this, we'll be posting this every day. So and our weekly target based on this is minimum 15% every week. All right. So let's get started in this week analysis. So this analysis is between uh, this analysis is between March 29 and April 2nd. All right, March 29 and April 2nd. So the first pairs I'll be looking at is Aud Swiss Franc. Okay, let's get started with the weekly. So the weekly candle that closed, we had a rejection from the downside to the upside. The candle that closed previous week closed as indecision, which is a doji candle. So having this type of candle tells us that price is yet to pick its direction. So with this candle, we can see a massive push up from as the candle pushed up. So this closed as a bullish candle, as a hammer. So we may see this to push up some more during this coming week. So why the daily candle that closed on Friday shows bullish. So we may see this pair push up some more during this coming week, guys. Okay, so on AUD Swiss franc, we want to expect price to push up to 0.7241. So on AUD Swiss franc, look for a buy. All right, look for a buy. Right now, the stochastic has crossed to the upside, which gives us the continuation entry. Okay, before this market closed on Friday. So we want to wait for a minor pullback. All right, then catch your buy entry. Catch your buy entry and exit the trade before 0.7241. So AUD Swiss franc buy. The next pair I'll be looking at is Aud Jpy. The same thing that happened on the Aud Swiss franc happened on Aud Jpy. So with this in mind, we may also see this push up some more. Okay, probably to this level. This is going to be our first target, while our next target is going to be right above here. So on AUD Jpy, let's look for a buy. Look for a buy and take your profit before 84.30. And if this level get broken, our next target is going to be 85.38. AUD Jpy, look for a buy. The next pair I'll be talking about is AUD Nzd. AUD Nzd closed last week with a massive candle, bullish candle. So this is still expected to push up some more, probably to 1.1033. Okay, and the same candle that closed on Friday closed bullish. So during this coming week, we may expect this level to get broken and expect this pair to push up some more. All right, so AUD Nzd, look for a buy. All right, we may expect this to pull back, then push up. And if at the time market open, this level get broken, just wait for pullback like this kind of structure, then take your buy entry and take your profits along the line. All right, AUD Nzd buy. Aud Swiss Franc is the next pair I'll be looking at. Aud Swiss Franc last week candle closed with a bullish engulfing candle. So this is a clear indication that this level is going to get broken. It's going to get broken this coming week. So we may expect price to come up to this level, to come up to 0.7626. Aud Swiss Franc. So with this in mind, we want to look for a buy. Once the 5 and 12 moving average crosses each other, look for a buy. Right, look for a buy and take your first profit before 0.7491. All right, take your first profit before 0.7491. And as this level get broken, we want to start looking up to 0.7624 on a long term. All right, on a long time, probably 1 or 2 weeks, we expect price to get to this level depending on the momentum. So Aud Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Aud Jpy is the next one I'll be talking about. Aud Jpy, the weekly candle closed with a bullish candle. This is not a perfect bullish engulfing candle. It's not an engulfing candle, but as we can see, it closed bullish, so this may cause price to push up to this level again if ever we're going to see a drop. All right, but I'm optimistic this level may get broken to push up some more, but our first target right here is going to be 87.99. All right, 87.99 is going to be the next target on the Aud Jpy. So Aud Jpy, look for a buy. The continuation has already happened, so you may want to wait for a minor pullback. All right, a minor pullback, then catch your buy entry and exit your trade before 87.99. And before Wednesday, if this level get broken, our next target is going to be 89.03. All right, so Aud Jpy is good for a buy. It's good for a buy. The next pair I'll be talking about is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, we had a rejection. The candle rejected from a bullish candle, but now we may see this is here to pick its direction. This pair is here to pick its direction because it's currently sitting at a significant support. So anything can happen on this with this pair. So the candle that closed on Friday is a good bearish candle, which may cause this to even push down some more, probably to this level again, probably to 1.5265. So Euro AUD is good for a sell, still good for a sell because it's still on buy bias. Our future time frame, which is 4 hour, is telling us that price is already below the 120 moving average, which is the red moving average. While 120 on H1 is already on the sell side. So we expect this to keep pushing down. So you want to wait for another pullback, then take your sell entry and take your first profit before this level. Take your first profit before 1.5340. All right, Euro AUD is good for a sell. Take your first profit before 1.5340, and if this level get broken, the red support is going to be our next target, which is 1.5265. Right, so Euro AUD, look for a sell. Euro Jpy, this is here to pick its direction. Okay, but based on the candle that closed on Friday, says this is bullish, so we may see some kind of push up right here to this level on 4 hours. All right, so Euro Jpy, let's look for a buy. Look for a minor pullback. All right, or you enter through the continuation, take your profit before 129.93. Euro Jpy, look for a buy, and if this level get broken, this is going to be our next target. All right, 130.60 is going to be our next target if 129.93 get broken. All right, so look for a buy on the Euro Jpy. Euro Jpy, look for a buy. Euro CAD, the same thing that happened on the Euro AUD, I think the same thing is happening on Euro CAD. So this, but Euro CAD closed with a good bearish candle, which a pin back candle. So this may cause this to even pull down some more this coming week. All right, so but right now on daily, this is sitting at a support right here. So we want to see this level get broken before we can consider a good move to this level. All right, until 1.4804 get broken and retested, that is when we want to start looking for a good trade with this pair to look at 1.4426. All right, so euro card is good for a sell. It's good for a sell, but be careful, guys. With this pair, we want to see this level get broken first. We want to see 1.4804 get broken first before we take a trade. All right, because if we take a trade right here, price may get to this level and return, which may cause us to lose the trade. So we want to be careful. So euro card is still sell bias. Euro card, look for a sell. Euro Swiss franc, Euro Swiss franc on lower time frame, sorry, on higher time frame, a resistance has been tested. All right, so but we are still expecting to look at the direction this is going to peak, but nevertheless, with this coming to lower time frame, but the candle that closed on Friday says this is still going to go bullish. So with this, we may see this pair push up to 1.1148. All right, so we are expecting euro Swiss franc to push up to 1.1148 this coming week, and if that level get broken, we are going to look out for 1.1265. all right, so but I am personally optimistic this is going to get broken. As I can see, this level has been broken on flag. Okay, this level has been broken on flag. The flag formation has been forming on this. So as this has been broken, so I expect this level to also get broken, as I hope this is going to give a complete leg of this. As I hope this is going to give a complete leg of this. So I am hoping this euro Swiss franc is going to get this level broken, but don't get it twisted, guys. Euro Swiss franc, we are looking for a buy. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. So the structure right here has been broken. This structure has been broken. So this is a confirmation that price is heading to the upside on euro Swiss franc. So once the cross to the upside happens, take your buy entry. All right, euro Swiss franc is a good trade to look for a buy. Don't miss this trade, euro Swiss franc. So take your entry before 1.1148. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. The next one I'll be talking about Euro GBP. Euro GBP also closed with, you can see a rejection. This is not a perfect pin bar, okay? It's not a perfect pin bar, but it closed as a bearish candle. So we still expect this may push down some more, but it's currently sitting at a support on daily time frame. So this may cause the pair to push up some more before the drop. Okay, because I'm hoping this pair is still going to come to this level. Okay, as I'm hoping it's still going to come to this big support. All right, but that's going to be a long time. We still have another support right here before this. So during this coming week, Euro GBP, we may see this push up back to the 120 moving average, or a little bit above to this level, okay, before the drop. All right, so Euro GBP, look for a sell. Wait for it to pull back. I expect this to pull back because I can see some structure right on lower time frame right around here, which may cause this pair to push back up, then return to the downside. So Euro GBP rather, Euro GBP look for a sell. Euro GBP look for a sell. Next we'll be talking about Euro USD. This also closed with a bearish candle, so we may expect this to even push down to 1.1616. Euro USD, we expect this to push down to 1.1616. Last week, if you watch the analysis, we were looking for this to get broken, and it got broken. Based on the analysis we made, we were looking for this level to get broken, and it got broken, and now it's on its way down. So Euro USD is sell bias. So the level has been broken, so we expect this to push back to the 120 moving average, then catch your sell entry. All right, Euro USD is good for a sell. Okay, it's good for a sell, and take your first profit at this first support. All right, once you take a sell entry, take your first profit at this first support. All right, Euro USD, look for a sell. GJ, GBP JPY. Okay, clear direction is yet to be ascertained on this pair, but based on our strategy, this is still buy bias. So wait for this to pull back a little bit. All right, wait for it to pull back a little bit, then catch your buy entry and take your profit before 152.41. GBP JPY, look for a buy. GN, this closed with a good it closed with a bullish candle last week. So, and the candle that closed on Monday closed as, I wouldn't say this is inside bar, but if you can see, we can consider this as an inside bar candle, so which may cause this pair to push down a little bit more. Okay, so we may see this push down to this 120 moving average. All right, then on its way up, but this is definitely going to go up. It's definitely going to go up because we can see a flag on lower time frame and break of structure. So wait for this to pull back, then cash your buy entry, then take your first profit before 1.9775. GN, look for a buy. GN, look for a buy. GA, GBP AUD. AUD is currently strong, so we can see this close with a bullish candle, but with some rejection. So this rejection this week may cause this pair to keep pushing down. Okay, as the candle that closed on Friday closed bearish, so we may see this to keep pushing down some more. GA, we may see this to keep pushing down some more, but based on our strategy, is still buy bias. If the cross to the upside happens, you may take a short-term trade right here, all right, and take your profit before 1.8137. Make sure you take your profit before this level if this triggers the entry, all right. So GA, look for a buy, but be careful with that pair. The next pair I'll be talking about is G-Chef, GBP Swiss Franc. GBP Swiss Franc, we can see the wick on this pair closed with a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is a clear indication that this level is, I have 80% assurance that this level is going to get broken and it's going to come up to 1.3303. Okay, so G-Chef is good for a buy. Obviously, this is going to pull back as price is ranging around this level, trying to pick its direction. So G-Chef, look for a buy and take your first profit before 1.2992. And once this level get broken, you want to target the higher profit, which is 1.3303. All right, so G-Chef, look for a buy. G-Chef, look for a buy. NU, NZD, USD. This this uh this pair closed with a bearish candlestick, so we may see this to push down, but it is currently sitting at a support, so we may see it to push up a little bit more between now and Tuesday, between Monday and Tuesday. So let's see what's going to happen right here, but this is still sell bias. So if this does not go above the 120 moving average and it gives a sell entry, then you take your sell. All right, if it does not go above the 120 moving average, it gives you the entry between 5 and 12 moving average, then you take your sell and take your profit before 0.6938. And if that level get broken, this is going to be our target, 67.61. All right, so NZD USD, look for a sell. Look for a sell. NZD card. The same thing that happened on NZD USD is happening on NZD card. So guys, we may expect this to come down during this coming week to touch 0.8622. All right, but as usual, this is sitting at a support, so it may go back up to this level. It may come up to this level first before the drop. All right, but if price return around the 120 moving average, you want to take your sell entry. All right, NZD USD during the week, you want to look out for sell. All right, look out for sell. NZD card, look out for sell also. NZD card, look for sell. USD Jpy is the next pair I'm going to be looking at. USD Jpy. This is also a perfect candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So with this in mind, I expect this to get this level to get broken, okay, to come up to 111.67. Okay, if this price is going to respect this bullish candlestick, so we expect this to push up. All right, but we can see price is already sitting at daily resistance. So with this, between once price market opens, we may see this push down some more. Okay, we may see it push down some more, probably to this level, to somewhere here. You may see it push down some more to the 120 moving average. Then from there, price should keep going up. All right, but you want to be mindful of every formation. So look for a buy on UJ and take your first profit before 1.09.81. UJ, look for a buy. UJ, look for a buy. The last pair we're talking about is UCHF, USD Swiss Franc. So on USD Swiss Franc, it closed with a bullish candlestick. So with this, I expect this to come up to touch the 120 moving average on weekly. Okay, on weekly. So on daily, we can see this resistance has been broken. So this pin bar is just like a retest. Okay, it's just like a retest. A lot of people will see this pin bar and say this is going to price is going to start dropping, not taking note of the weekly. So this pin bar is most likely not going to hold. It's most likely not going to hold. So with this, we expect this to keep pushing up. USD Swiss franc is uh is expected to push up to 0.9456. So that is the target this week. USD Swiss franc, look for a buy. All right. So on candlestick pattern, we did a great video where you can compare candlestick pattern on higher time frame with lower time frame to pick a trade. But this is another one to see a break of structure and a candlestick pattern retested the same area, which may deceive a lot of people. I think we are going to get a video done on that, and it will be on our YouTube channel. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. All right. So quick recap. AUD Swiss franc, look for a buy. AUD Jpy, look for a buy. AUD Nzd, look for a buy. CAD Swiss franc, look for a buy. CAD Jpy, look for a buy. Euro AUD, sell. Euro Jpy, buy. Euro CAD, sell. Euro Swiss franc, buy. Euro GBP, sell. Euro USD, sell. GBP Jpy, buy. GBP Nzd, buy. GBP AUD, buy. GBP Swiss franc, buy. Nzd USD, sell. Nzd CAD, sell. USD Jpy, buy. USD Swiss franc, buy. So that is the pair we have for you guys this week. So a lot of pairs are just picking their direction. So for the weak pairs, Swiss franc is weak, JPY is weak, Euro is also weak. All right, but you have to be careful with some Euro trades, guys. The strong pairs we have is AUD and GBP Swiss franc. Okay, so USD is also expected to go strong and also CAD. So we will determine that once we have the midweek analysis. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. So guys, don't forget to support us. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you can receive notification, and ensure you share this with your family and friends. So once again, guys, get yourself ready. I will be putting a trade signal based on this strategy. We'll be putting it on our Telegram channel. So you want to get yourself ready. We'll be starting this 1st of April, okay, for as long as we have the grace. So guys, stay tuned and stay blessed, and see more of you on the group, guys. And happy trading. Bye bye.